Made it to our hotel room. We're finally in Georgia. Yay! We made it. It's currently 10 o'clock and we are gonna go get a late dinner just so we can see Victor's, my husband's family, Cami's grandma. ¿Quieres ver a tu abuela? See? So that's what we're gonna do. And tomorrow I'll show you guys our view if we even have one. I haven't looked. And I'll show you guys the place. But we finally made it. So excited to be here. A little mini getaway. See? Adiós. Whee! Vic. Camila! Camila! Ay! Camila! Ay! Good morning. We are ready to go. Camila, ¿estás lista? Camila's so ready to go. There's mommy. And then daddy, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
What are we doing today?
We're gonna go explore Stone Mountain Park and see what they got going on.
Yay! Di, Feliz Dia de las Mamás! Alrighty, we ready? We're gonna bring you guys along with us as much as we can, and let's just see what we get into today. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Come on.
We got the things. Oh, man.
Eat it.
You
Thank you. ¿Te gusta? Ay, vamos a comer. ¿Qué vas a comer? Di, huevo. ¿O quieres pancakes? ¿Pancakes?
¿Sí?
¿Cómo estás? ¿Estás llena? ¿Sí? ¿Te llenaste? We just finished having breakfast. Breakfast was delicious. We had our coffee, waiting on my in-laws to get here so we can get this day going, and for my hubby to get out of the restroom. But we're outside of the hotel that we're staying in. It's a resort. I think I mentioned it already, but it's a resort. Really nice place with a lot of activities to do. Very child friendly.
Mamá,
¿Sí?
aquí.
¿Escuchas el tren? Chuchu.
We didn't go on nothing, right?
No, we just did the hike.
We didn't even go on that thing.
No, nothing.
Can you pick me, my mom? Tell me.
Am I your photographer, boo?
Yes, ma'am. Pay for you.
Where do you...
She's nice though.
Are you ready?
Yeah, right.
I'm scared. I know, I see her. No, she likes... Cami, mira.
Why is she doing that snake?
¿Lista, Cami? Cami. ¿Tienes miedo? Mira, mira. Mira aquí. A ver si miramos un oso. ¿Quieres ver un oso? Vámonos, vámonos. ¿Escuchas el tren?
¿Tú ya subiste o no? No. ¿Tú ya has been seeing it, right? Have you gone to train?
Tú no tienes.
On our way.
En español, por favor.
All right, carving will be coming into view on our right-hand side here. We're starting off a little bit slow. Once we get to the top of the tree lines, we'll increase our speed just a little bit. We'll top out about 15 miles an hour. Now, once again, the carving will be on our right-hand side. You got Confederate President Jefferson Davis. He's riding his horse, Blackjack. In the middle, you got General Robert E. Lee. He's riding his horse, Traveler. And on the far right, you got Lieutenant General Thomas Stonewall Jackson. He's riding his horse, Little Sorrow. Now, the carving is 90 feet tall, 190 feet wide. Traveler, the horse in the middle. A 6-foot largest carving in the United States. It's actually 30 feet bigger than Mount Rushmore. 90 feet. Now, Stone Mountain is the largest single granite outcrop. We'll tilt forward this a little bit, so you might want to hold on.
Weight of 5,100 pounds.
How you doing?
Feed the babies.
¿Dónde está Camila?
Cami, ¿qué vas a agarrar? ¿Qué vas a comer? ¿Qué vas a comer? ¿Ah? ¿Qué vas a comer? Ah, mira. Y carne asada. ¿O quieres tacos? ¿O un burrito? ¿Qué vas a agarrar? ¿Ah? ¿Qué vas a tomar? ¿Quieres leche o agua? ¿Agua?
¿Qué le gustaría tomar? Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're here with Mr. Beast. Today we're going to look at a server and tip them $1,000. We're going to see what their reason is, and they're probably gonna say, wow, thank you, I just got in a car accident yesterday, thank you so much. Get Ophelia to 5 to 50,000 subscribers, and we're gonna do a giveaway of a Tesla. Giveaway at Camila. Whenever we get to 50,000 subscribers. Okay, bye.
She didn't get her ticket.
When Hayden grows up, she wants to be a teacher like her mom and dad.
everything to the car, and me and Cami are just here enjoying the view. We're here enjoying this nice view. And we are off to have some breakfast with the family, and then we're going back home. We have a 7-hour drive, so that's gonna be fun. Hopefully we have a good trip back home, a good road trip. Camila, for the most part, did a great job on the way here, so hopefully she does the same thing on the way back. Yeah, we had a great time yesterday. The hotel that we stayed at is like a resort, and it comes with tons of activities for you to do. We didn't even get to finish a lot of them. There was zip lining that I wish we could have done, kayaking, paddling, the pool. They have an indoor pool, an outdoor pool, little hot tub jacuzzi area that we didn't get to do, but we will be back and be able to get all that stuff done. But we had such a great time yesterday, and we were able to bring you guys along for the most part. We had so much fun, right, Gummy? Yes. Apart from her getting sick last minute, she got sick a day before our trip, but we took her to the doctor right away. She got some antibiotics, and she's doing so much better. She just has a little bit of boogies, but she's doing so much better. But that's it for this part of the vlog. We hope you guys enjoyed watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Say bye. Say thank you for watching. Diles gracias. Mua. Les beso. Camila. Déjala. Ajá, sí. 1, 2, 3, go. Dale. 1, 2, 3, dale. Boo, peekaboo. Alright, cuando uno de ustedes se peguen, no digas mamá, ¿ok? ¿Ok? Di papá. Look at me.